There are so many benefits of outsourced accounting, one of which being that, here we have different levels of people with different skills and expertise. So, for example, if a client needs a part-time bookkeeper 1 month, and the next month realizes that they need to have an external audit done. So that requires them to have internal controls documented, implemented. We have people here that have experience doing both bookkeeping and working with external auditors. So that's really great because it cuts down on the cost and time that it would take for the client to hire both a bookkeeper and then find a CPA who has external audit experience.
When you're using an outsourced firm, you have multiple levels of accounting services. You can have your bookkeeper, your accounting manager, your controller, your oversight CFO role for a reasonable cost, whereas if you wanted those in-house, you'd have to hire 3 or 4 individuals, which is obviously very costly.
Certainly when a company is smaller, what we see happen is they need a little bit of bookkeeping, like transaction processing. They need a little bit of oversight, such as making sure internal controls are in place and that assets are being protected. And then occasionally they need things like guidance on making financial projections. So that massively different skill set is hard to find in one person or even 2 people. And so when companies are smaller, it makes a lot of sense to do an outsourced model like ours because you can take slices out of each of those levels and get everything you need with one service.
We work with many different businesses, many different clients, so we can gain efficiencies through that. We can see what works well for some clients and apply it to the next client. And we also work a lot with other CPAs, so we can learn from our peers and learn from other clients. Whereas if you're working in-house, an in-house accountant, it's great because they're always there, they're down the hall, you can just pop in. But they're really kind of in a bubble. They're not learning from other CPAs if it's a small firm and you only have 1 accountant. So I think there's just efficiencies and really great learning opportunities when you're working with multiple businesses.